This is Dr. Bharat Reddy, a cardiologist and movie artist. I am the founder and owner of Millet Marvels. It's a new startup. In association with IIMR, we are trying to come up with bringing tasty and delicious millet food for you. In the last 6 to 7 years of my practice, I have seen a phenomenal increase in diabetes, hypertension. When initially I used to tell my patients the benefits of eating millets, they would actually start it for a day or so and then again cut it down, then go back to the same diet. It took around 3 to 4 years of research for me to how to bring millet in a very tasty manner. I used to come across a lot of places wherein they used to try and use foxtail millet, ragi, all this stuff and try to bring out food like breakfast like idli, dosa. Also they try to get some biryani kind of stuff with all that. We wanted to change the society, the way they eat, the way they think, the way they live. We also gave a 6-month trial along to my patients as well, wherein we could see a remarkable change in their sugar levels, blood pressure, lipid levels. We needed somebody to support us because this was a very challenging project for me. We wanted to start it from Hyderabad, but actually our thoughts and goal is it should reach every plate across India. That's when I went and approached IIMR CEO Dr. Dayakar sir. For me, this was a big surprise, the way he received me, the way he could understand, he could analyze, and actually he could read out what I was trying to do. Then I had to invite sir to our kitchen. Sir did try food with us and he was also very happy. That's when we had applied for this Engrain. I think I've actually done and through with my final interview as well. Ours is one and only enterprise, Millet Marvels, wherein we bring ready to cook and ready to eat food. As of now, we have 5 outlets across Hyderabad, wherein you can come have millet breakfast, millet lunch, millet snack, millet dinner, everything based out of millet. Millet Marvels is one and only place wherein you find this kind of millet food. And we are proud and happy that IIMR considered us to be part of them, and we are also taking technology from them. So wherein we are just going to start a batter factory very soon. Our motto and goal is to bring out the best of millet batter for idli, dosa, roti, parota, vada, and we will also be coming soon with a lot of powders for roti and other stuff.